Instant impact, deciphering the effects of one cigarette on the cardiovascular system. In this study, we conducted a pulse diagnostic analysis using the LifePulsePro system. Our aim was to investigate the immediate effects of smoking on the cardiovascular system. In our study, we recruited a 55-year-old woman who smoked occasionally. Through meticulous methodology, we conducted a 5-minute resting pulse waves recording, establishing a stable baseline. In a controlled environment, the same participant then consumed a single cigarette, after which we performed a second pulse waves recording. This approach allowed us to precisely capture the immediate effects of smoking on her cardiovascular state. The comparison revealed stark changes in key parameters such as heart rate variability, stress levels, and spectral power and other parameters. Our findings underscore the swift and detrimental impact of even minor tobacco exposure on the intricate balance of the cardiovascular system. Let's see the results of the study. The results of the first pulse study are shown here. This is a rhythmogram, a scatterogram and a histogram of the distribution of cardio intervals. The results of the second pulse study, immediately after smoking a cigarette, showed a significant deterioration in vital signs. Here's how the graphs of the main parameters have changed. We employed the heart rate variability analysis method to examine the changes in autonomic nervous system regulation. This analysis involved assessing various parameters that provide insights into the cardiovascular health and stress levels. On the left are the results of the baseline study, and on the right are the results after smoking. When comparing the results of the two recordings, we observed a noticeable deterioration in all parameters. The coefficient of variability, an indicator of heart rate variability, exhibited a reduction. The level of stress tension has increased. The overall spectral power, a marker of vital force and energy, demonstrated a decrease after the cigarette consumption. This suggests a potential decrease in overall well-being. In the upper section, we present the findings of the baseline study, while in the lower section, we showcase the results after smoking. Notably, a decrease in the coherence coefficient within the cardiovascular system was observed. Significant alterations were also noted in heart pattern. From an Ayurvedic perspective, we noted a pronounced reduction in the air element, accompanied by elevated levels of ether and earth elements. Moreover, the pace of bodily aging exhibited a notable acceleration. Through the implementation of the LifePulsePro system, our study unearthed a series of adverse outcomes subsequent to the consumption of a single cigarette. The amassed evidence compellingly indicates that even brief exposure to smoking can culminate in compromised cardiovascular function, veiled elevation in stress markers, and a decrement in holistic welfare. These findings accentuate the swift and unfavorable repercussions of smoking on the cardiovascular milieu, underscoring the imperative of upholding a smoke-free lifestyle to foster cardiac well-being and overall vitality. Our research emphasizes the intricate interplay between lifestyle choices and the body's regulatory mechanisms. These findings underscore the need for heightened awareness about the immediate impact of even occasional smoking on our overall health. Thank you for your attention.